Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the new Milwaukee M18 fuel impact driver, which Milwaukee claims has unmatched power and the fastest driving speed of any impact driver. It can achieve a maximum of 3,900 RPM, a maximum torque of 2,000 inch-pounds, and maximum impacts per minute of 4,400. It has a 4-mode drive control. Mode 1 is limited to 1,700 RPM. Mode 2 is limited to 3,000 RPM. And Mode 3 can achieve the maximum of 3,900 RPM. Mode 4 is designed for driving self-tapping screws in sheet metal to prevent screw stripping, screw breakage, and damage to the work surface when driving self-tapping screws. This mode will only run if the trigger is pulled more than halfway. If pulled less than halfway, the driver will run in the normal impacting mode. It has 3 very bright LED lights that come on when the trigger is depressed, and it features a belt hook. The length is 4.49 inches. Let's start out our testing with 1 1/4 inch general purpose screws on mode 1. Okay, I'll put it on mode 2. And I'll put it on mode 3. I think the best mode for these general purpose 1 1/4 inch screws for this impact driver is mode 2. It's fast enough and it doesn't sink the screws too far very often. Okay, I'll try a 2 inch. And I'm going to put it on mode 3. There, that's nice. Okay, so I'm going to stay on mode 3, and we're going to do a 3 inch screw. It's got a lot of power, let me tell you. It's a 3/8 inch by 3 inch lag bolt, and I have a 9/16 inch socket here. And there you go. That's quick, man. So that was on number 3. It's on mode 4 right now, and we have a self-tapper. Put it right there. Mode 4 is very nice. In conclusion, this is a very powerful impact driver. It has all the features you would want, and it comes with a 5-year limited warranty. This is a first-class tool. The bare tool is currently running about $149, and the kit, which includes 2 5-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a case, is running about $299. The kit, which includes the new M18 hammer drill driver and the impact driver, along with 2 5-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a case, is running about $399. I'll put links in my video description for all of these tools and kits. I'll also put links for the new Milwaukee M12 tools and for the new SHOCKWAVE kits that give you all the bits and drill bits that you probably need. And check my video description for a code that'll give you 20% off at Acme Tools on Milwaukee Tools for purchases of $99 and over. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.